channel. On today's video, I will show you how to create the sweet romantic makeup look. First, I will be applying the primer from Revlon. This primer will help with the makeup and stay all day all night. Next, I will be applying my favorite foundation, also from Revlon. I just fall in love with the texture and the amount of coverage on this foundation. Next, I will be applying some contour by Maybelline. I will be applying underneath of my cheekbone, my nose, my forehead, my jawline, then go ahead and blend it out. Next, I will be applying the concealer from Maybelline. Apply underneath of my eye, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, on my cupid bone, and on my chin. Then go ahead, smooth it out. And next, I will set everything with the Mercier translucent powder. Then now, I will start to draw my eyebrow using the Marc gel. Then I will fill the blank with my Makeup Forever eyeshadow, like so. And before I start to do my eye, I always place the powder underneath of my eye to avoid fallout from eyeshadow. First, I will be using Too Faced eyeshadow palette in the color Party Dress. Apply all over my eyelid. And also bottom of my lash, like so. Next, I will be applying M.A.C Eye Shadow in the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye and blend it back and forth like so. Next, to make my eye look more pop, I will apply the Tom Ford cream eyeshadow in the center of my eye. And then I will place the glitter on top of the cream base, like so. After I finish with my eye, I will blush all the powder off. Next, I will apply the Lancome Color Design 5 Paint Eyeshadow Palette. Next, I will be using Benefit Hoola for my contour. I will apply underneath of my cheekbone. My forehead. My jawline. And I will be using small brush to blend on the side of my nose, like so. Next, for my cheek, I will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brush 3.0. I will dip 2 color and I will place it on my cheek, like so. Next, for my highlight, I will be using M.A.C Soft and Gentle. And next, I will be apply eyeliner using Too Faced Sketch Marker Liquid Eyeliner. I will be draw them really thin, like so. Next, I will go and get my eyelash on using the Kiss eyelash. Now, time for lip. I will be using Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner. And after that, I will fill it out with the MAC lipstick. Last but not least, I will be apply the MAC Jagged Lash lipstick in the center of my lip, like so. And now we done! For watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, don't forget to thumbs up or subscribe down below. And I will see you next time. Bye!